Yeah.
Okay. Kill it. Damn it. Didn't work.
My student loans are 33 days past due. I'm a fucking student.
He's like, Mommy?
So they just pissed off tomorrow.
What did you do? He smacked his head.
They're like, ugh. I just forgot the last 3 minutes of my life.
He thinks I'm his mommy. Look.
He says, no, your hair just tastes good.
No, that's chemicals.
He says, come on.
The chemicals taste good. I eat grass. Anything.
I eat grass.
Puppy. Ah! He just nipped up. You little nipper. That's what I'm calling him. I'm gonna call him Nipper. You're a nipper. Woo! I'm up tonight. The man's so tired. I'm up tonight. The man's so tired. Ouchie. Meow. Meow. Where's my camera? I know it's so okay.
Whoa.
Awkward. You're just so cute. I want to take a picture. No, stay there, because you always do that. Killian! Killian! No, you always do that. Every time I want to take a picture of you. Gotcha. I got Megan.
Yuck.
Creeping in the background.
Woo.
Oh, are you still recording?
Yes.
Oh. Well done. Hey, Killian.
There's a bug coming near you.
Oh,
It's right there. Here it comes.
Eat it, Killian.
Here it comes. It's gonna get you. It's gonna get you. He says, what is that?
Get Killian.
He says, I don't like
Kill-
it.
Shit and
Kill it.
meatballs.
I'm sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. Get. Okay,
Great, read
you
your
know what?
question.
What?
He's a redneck.
Who's a redneck?
Oh, character. It says shit and meatballs. You pulled off. Which mine were as brass as yours, man. Put it this way, his mom.